This is how to make money with your Faceless YouTube channel. This video is for those of you who already have a Faceless YouTube channel or people who want to go into Faceless YouTube channel in 2026. Doesn't matter whether you are monetized on your Faceless channel or yet to be monetized. You might be making a little money or you just want to make more money. I've received a lot of questions on success.
How do I make money from my Faceless YouTube channel?
How do I start even if I'm not uploading videos every day? So in today's video, I'm breaking everything down. I'll be starting with the most popular income streams that everybody already knows, down to the secret ones people barely talk about. But these ones actually make the most money. So if you are still planning to start a Faceless YouTube channel, that is, you don't have a channel already, this video is going to help you a lot. And I have a full video on how to start a Faceless YouTube channel and set everything up from scratch. I'll link it in the description box. As always, timestamps are below in case you need them. So let's jump right into the video. First thing first, pick a profitable Faceless niche. To make serious money, of course you need to be in the right niche. Faceless channels work best in niches where information matters more than the person actually talking, and that is actually what allows you to stay off camera. You can be in the motivation or self-improvement niche, storytelling, history, narration, finance and money tips. These actually have a high CPM, or reviews, apps, gadgets, websites, etc. Whatever niche you want to go into or you are into, make sure it's the one you can create 50 to 100 videos in, because consistency is actually more important than perfection. And now you create videos using AI tools. Of course, you do not need expensive gadgets. Business creators always rely on simple tools and sometimes free tools as well. Use ChatGPT to write your script, 11 Labs or Google AI Studio or any free AI tool to generate your voiceovers. CapCut, Filmora, VN Editor for your simple editing. You can generate AI images and also make the images talk. I have these videos in my channel and I will link it in the description below. You can also use Pencils or Canva to get simple background footage for your videos. You can literally create your first ever Faceless YouTube video in just an hour. I already made a full video on this and I will link it in the description box. Now, you optimize your video for search and discovery. If you actually want views, people need to find you. That's where SEO comes in. Of course, YouTube is a search engine. People come here to search for whatever they want, people come here to search. This is a secret tip. After making your videos, be intentional about your titles. If it is a how to something video, simply write how to do this thing, right? Use the how to's, because when people are searching, they are searching with how to do this. Always use the how to if your video aligns with such topics. And if you're doing a storytelling or stuff, put your main keyword in the first 3 words. Also be mindful of your thumbnails. Use a high contrast thumbnails. Please start your videos without long introductions. You see how I jumped straight into the topic of this video without even introducing myself. Of course, you clicked on this video not because you want to know me, but because you want to learn, right? So please use this same energy in your own videos. Get straight to the value. Do not waste people's time. And with this method, once you hit 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you will get monetized on YouTube. You start earning money once you join the YouTube Partner Program. This unlocks ad revenue, which is your first stream of income, which everybody knows about. You can also make money using affiliate marketing, and this doesn't matter whether you are monetized and making money or not. You can start with your first ever video. Affiliate marketing is the best ways Faceless channels make more money, even before talking about monetization or monetizing their channels. So how does this work? You simply promote a product. When somebody buys through your link, you earn a commission and make more money. You can promote apps, editing softwares, Amazon gadgets, online courses. It must not be your online course actually. You can promote other person's courses which you know are useful. It might be the one you have used or the one that you know that it is actually real and working. Once you promote it, you make more money for yourself while still on your Faceless channel. How do you promote it? You simply link it in your description box so that whoever visits there checks it out and buys. You might be wondering, how does this work? Faceless channels actually teach something, or even storytelling. You are doing something in your channel. You can simply talk about the apps that you use. Even if you are telling a story, people want to learn how to tell stories. So you can simply promote online courses that teach how to start faceless content, how to tell stories or do the same thing that you are doing. Of course, people will buy and people will trust your recommendations because they believe you have tried it. One good affiliate link can make you $100 to $200 every single month. If you are enjoying this video, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps YouTube show it to more creators like you who will find this video helpful, and it also encourages me to do free videos like this to help you. And another way you can make money from your faceless YouTube channel without monetizing your channel is by selling digital products. For me right now, I already have a faceless YouTube channel course which I created myself, linked down below this video. So the next income stream you can try is selling digital products. This is very much powerful and valuable because you only create it once. I mean, you keep selling it forever unless you wish not to. Examples of digital products you can start. If you're wondering how you can start selling your digital products, you can start with a video course, you can start with ebook, guides, planners. It all depends on what you do. There is no channel that cannot sell something. The thing is, how do you actually sell those things? What do you sell? Check what you are doing right now. What questions do people ask you? What do you know that people want to know about these things? If you're into storytelling, people would like to know the apps that you use. People would like to know, how do I tell stories just like you do? How do I do it without showing my face? So you can package these things as a digital product, make a video about it explaining how to do these things, or you can write a simple ebook about those things. That is all. These products actually cost nothing or just a little money to make, but they will actually bring you $5 to $50 or more per sale. Even if you have a faceless channel with 0 to 1,000 subscribers, you can earn $300 to $2,000 every single month just from a good digital product. And another way is by selling templates. What is templates and how do you go about it? Whatever that your channel is into, you can sell templates, Canva templates, social media post templates, or even YouTube channel templates, caption templates, intro and outro templates. There are a whole lot of things. Anything you can think about that people want to know how to do a template on it. Create it using Canva, and people actually love done for you materials. If it will save them time or save them the stress of actually doing those things, they will actually buy your template. Doesn't matter how much you sell it. You can decide to sell from $5 to $20. It all depends on you and the value in the templates. You also make lots of money from channel memberships, but this is when you build a small loyal audience. Channel membership actually become a stable income stream. Viewers pay a monthly fee, usually from $1 to $10, to unlock extra perks, and you can offer exclusive videos. If you check people's videos, you must have noticed when they post a video, they will make it members only videos. That is for people who subscribe to their monthly membership. So you can do the same. You post some videos and make it for members only, so people subscribe more, so people subscribe to your membership just to have access to these videos. You see, another stream of income unlocked. You can post your behind the scenes. You can go live just for members only. You can also post downloadable resources, early access to your videos. And the good thing is, you do not need a large audience. If 50 members pays $3 monthly, it's an extra $150 every single month for you. Very passive and reliable. And also you can do brand deals and sponsorships. Companies and brands will pay you for you to talk about their products. It doesn't matter if you show your face or not. They only care about your niche and your audience. Typical faceless channels earn $100 to $300 for small channels, $500 to $2,000 for medium channels, and over $5,000 plus for big channels doing very well with their faceless YouTube channels. Most creators make more money from sponsorships than YouTube ads. And this is how faceless YouTube channel creators make real money in 2025 without ever stepping in front of the camera. If you want me to create a full video script on how you can do a digital product starting from scratch, where to upload it, and how to start selling it to people, comment scripts and I will make a full video on that if I receive more comments about that. But if not, I'll assume you do not need it. And if you are also in the storytelling niche, comment storytelling scripts or attach your niche and script so that I will make a detailed video showing you how you can make money from what you already do in your channel. And know that this doesn't matter if you already have just 50 subscribers or 100 subscribers. You can start from where you are right now. You make money from where you are while building large audience. I know you enjoyed this video and you would love to see me in my next video. So Feel free to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you will get notified when next I upload my next video. Check out this video right here. YouTube know that you need this video and that is why they recommended it for you.